হ্যালো কিডস, আজকে আমরা শিখব ইংলিশ অ্যালফাবেট এ বি সি অ্যান্ড 1 2 3। A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane, A. B for bus, B for bus. C for cat. D for deer. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F. G for goat, G for goat. H for hand, H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish, J. K for kite, K. L for lion, L. M for mango, M for mango. N for nose, N. O for orange, O. P for pen, P. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rose, R. S for sheep. T for telephone, U for umbrella. V for van, W for watch, W. X for X-ray, Y for yak. Z for zebra. Number counting 1 2 3. 1 O-N-E, 1. 2 T-W-O, 2. 3 T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4 F-O-U-R, 4. 5 F-I-V-E, 5. 6 S-I-X, 6. 7 S-E-V-E-N, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9 N-I-N-E, 9. 10 T-E-N, 10. 10 T-E-N, 10. 10